Today, you're about to step inside a motorhome that doesn't seem real, something so bold, so futuristic, it feels like it was designed for another world. This is not a bus. This is not an RV. This is an AI-generated vision of a blacked-out 3-story luxury motorhome, a moving mansion of elegance and technology that redefines what it means to travel in style. From the outside, this motorhome is a beast. Its sculpted matte black body stretches longer than a semi-truck, with golden LED strips tracing every curve like glowing veins of light. Massive wheels anchor its colossal frame, while its panoramic glass windows rise across multiple levels, making it look less like a vehicle and more like a skyscraper gliding down the open highway. Step into the cockpit, and it feels like the bridge of a starship. A sweeping panoramic windshield wraps the front, glowing with holographic controls, touch panels, and golden accent lighting. The driver's seat sits at the center like a throne, commanding not just the road ahead, but the entire experience of those inside. Now, let's explore the interiors. The bedroom suite is a private sanctuary, dominated by a circular bed glowing from below with golden light, surrounded by curved walls and panoramic windows. At night, the atmosphere feels like drifting in a futuristic cocoon above the world. The kitchen is sleek and powerful, finished in deep matte black with brushed steel and golden lighting woven throughout. Hidden appliances, polished counters, and geometric overhead lights make it feel like a high-tech spaceship galley designed for luxury dining on the move. Next, the lounge, the social heart of this mansion on wheels. Plush black sofas wrap around the space, facing a glowing black marble table. Subtle golden lighting runs across the floor and ceiling, giving the entire room a warm futuristic glow. It's the perfect place for movie nights, gatherings, or simply watching the world pass by through massive windows. For fitness lovers, there's even a dedicated gym, equipped with a treadmill, smart bike, and compact weight systems, all finished in black steel. The glowing accent lines along the walls and floor create the feel of a private training deck aboard a spaceship. The bathroom is pure luxury. Black stone walls and fixtures, golden hardware, rainfall showers, and underlit tubs transform it into a spa on wheels. Every surface glows with futuristic elegance, turning a compact space into a masterpiece of design. And then, the showstopper, the indoor pool. Yes, a motorhome with its own private pool. The water glows electric blue under a starry ceiling, with luxury seating arranged around the edge. It feels like a hidden wellness retreat floating above the open road. Altogether, this black 3-story motorhome is more than a concept, it's a fantasy of what mobile living could look like if limits didn't exist. Bold, extravagant, and unlike anything the world has ever seen, it transforms travel into an experience of futuristic luxury. So the question is, would you live in a mansion on wheels like this, complete with a pool, a gym, and suites fit for royalty? Or is this a dream only billionaires will ever touch? Let me know in the comments, and if this futuristic tour amazed you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next design takes motorhome luxury even further.